Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, episode number 16. As you can see, the portfolio is up to 13.05% all time. I think that's the highest value the portfolio has been at since I've started this challenge, and we're at a total of $6,540 Canadian. As we scroll down here, you can see how many shares of each company I am currently holding. Scrolling down to my favorite individual stock, TD. Now you can buy actually fractional shares of TD, which is pretty cool. So I have this stock at 8% of my portfolio. As you can see, the past month, it's been down about $2. So I want to pick this stock up, just one share, as it's down. One of my favorite dividend growth stocks. So let's buy one share of TD. And the next stock that I'm going to be buying is my favorite ETF. So buying my favorite ETF and my favorite individual stock today, we're going to be buying 5 shares of VDY. VDY is awesome. It holds a bunch of great Canadian dividend companies that are actually growth companies as well. I hold about 18% of my portfolio in VDY. I'm trying to get that up to about 25%. So the yield is 4.15%, and it holds some amazing companies. So let's buy 5 shares of this into my TFSA. We should have enough if it allows us to. Switch to limit buy. So unfortunately, we can't buy 5 shares. We'll have to buy 4 shares just because you have to have a certain amount of money left in your account. So let's cap that at 4 shares. Could not be submitted. Interesting. Back to dashboard. Let's try that again. VDY, buy this 4 shares. 5% is the total. Let's try 4 again. Confirm order. There, it seemed to have went through there. So I'm not exactly sure what happened there, but both of the stock purchases seem to have gone through. We have $40 left. I'll probably leave that into the account for now. But just to recap, we bought 1 share of TD and 4 shares of VDY. Portfolio is looking great. Continue to dollar cost average over time. And if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Again, bi-weekly updates, $250 per. Hopefully in the near future, I can start to increase that limit of $250, but we'll see what happens moving forward. So if you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe for more updates, and leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns. Hope you have a great day, and talk to you soon. Bye.